Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, good morning, viewer. KG Auto. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Where am I at? I'm on Pickens on Cleveland. About to check this car out. Behind me is a Mercedes-Benz 2014 GLK 350. Apparently, the owner called me and there's something going on with the car, so I'm going to bring you guys and show you exactly what's going on. If you missed my channel, please consider subscribing. Shout out to Brooklyn. Let's share love. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. That's the way it goes. But I haven't said that. You know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right now. KG. Ready to open up this thing and take out this. If you look down here, you guys can see a bunch of stuff going on here right now. Apparently the belts have snapped out, and it looks like there's a leakage on this vehicle. Wow. So we're gonna make sure we check all the spoolies, that everything is moving. This is a scenario right now, so I'm gonna check all the pulley, make sure they're free. Probably the oil get in the belts. That's what happened, but at this junction I can't tell until I take out these belts and all those threaded one there and see if every pulley is moving. If they're free, then you know probably there's an oil that get on the belt and make it to snap out. But let me put this camera down and then start to dig in there. You know, anytime there's an oil in your car, I will advise you, please do it as quick as possible. Get to a mechanic, because this belt's supposed to be dry. You have to know that, you know. So if you ignore any oil going on the belt, it's like accident waiting to happen. And you know what? If you don't have a brake in your car, you know what happened? It's just the same thing. When there's oil leak like this and you ignore it, one day you'll be driving down the road just enjoying, then the next thing you know, your steering become tight, light comes on the dashboard, and you know what is next. All right, so let's go ahead and take off all these belts and then see exactly what went wrong at KG. I'll bring you guys back. So I took out all the threaded belt, the broken one. So when I check the pulley, everything seems to be moving. This one right here, this one right here, the small one on top right here. Let's see if I can get that. This one right there, this one right here, this one right here, and this one right here. So everything is moving. So I believe probably, like I said, there's an oil leak in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a brake cleaner, clean out. See, you can see on top of here is an oil. It's a little rainy too, so please bear with me. I'm just gonna wash it out with a brake cleaner and then put back the belt. So that's the new belt right there. See all those residue. So I'm gonna advise the owner to still go for, you know, wash this engine. Apparently there's a lot of leakage. I don't know where it's leaking from, you know, if it's the oil coolant right there, I don't know, the housing. But he has to go and wash this engine. So let's go ahead and put the belt, start the car, keep moving. So the belt is in right now. As you can see, the long extension that I'm using, see right there, just push it down, just like this. That's it. You just have to make sure you have a long one so it can be able to, it'll be easy for you to get it in kind of clockwise, you know. Where you're gonna look at for when you put in this belt, you see right here, always make sure that something goes in really good. And you look right here too. See every groove, then you look right underneath there. So what I did when I was cleaning, I used this little pick to scrape up everything that is there. So when you look down here, look everything, then you come right at the corner here. Don't start the car here. You look down here, you can see it, but you can't really is right there. You can see, you look down here, make sure you go through all the groove before you start the car, because if you start the car, you don't look at it very well, the belt is going to snap out. So that's pretty much it. See all the residue right there. Go ahead and crank this car, take off that tensioner, and wrap up. Alright, that's it right there. I just started. So that's pretty much it on this rainy day on this episode. KGR, the job is done. You know what to do. Support your boy in any way you can. Support your boy by subscribing, leave a comment down there, and like the video as well. I love you. I'll see you next time. We are done.